I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Cali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Cali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select an action. Wishlist. Give here the member URL and password. Go to WishList API. Copy the API URL and API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose an action. Choose a level. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the WishList dashboard. Members. And you can see the data came successfully in the wishlist. Thanks for watching.